You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this Swedish footballer? For more names from football, make sure to stay tuned to learn more of those names that too many everybody gets wrong. So in Swedish, it's pronounced as Viktor Gyokeres. Viktor Gyokeres. So in English, you can say it as Viktor Gyokeres. Gyokeres. Viktor Gyokeres. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.